Okay, so let's do this. Gotta tell you, I was kind of expecting it to come in a box. But I'm sure this saves them a ton on shipping. Okay. Header going here. Probably hit one of these corners now. There we go. Okay, well that's very cool. This is outer pack, like the surface of it that gets thrown off the top of a building by a bunch of gorillas. So loading and transporting this. Okay. So now we've got the top off, and let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, and it's in yet another package. That's very nice. That's very nicely packed. And here's all the goodies. I've got a water bottle. And I got the additional pack. This is something that I got a special online. Little packing for tech accessories and another pouch inside of here. And the bottle. Wow. So I got to tell you, it looks exactly the way I had hoped it would. And now that we've got it here, and we'll pack it up, unpack it, and put it together, but pretty impressive. So let me pack my goodies in it and we'll talk about it. Well, I've been traveling with this now for about 2 months, and I have to tell you that I am ridiculously impressed with all that it holds in a very small spot. I've made a couple of overnighters, held my extra clothes, toiletries, everything no issue. Under the front seat and the overhead doesn't really matter. The only thing I've had challenges with is some of my short flights up to the Northeast or on the Embraer 175s, and it will not go in the left-hand side overhead. That compartment is so tiny, it's ridiculous. But I'm just thrilled to death with this bag. It is just everything that I thought it would be, and then some. They've done a good job producing it, making all the zippers easy to use and work with, and keeping the whole entire bag so compact if you need it to be, or expandable if you need it to be, just with the pull of a few straps. Really do enjoy this. Great job, guys, and I fully recommend this.